Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to stay a want or become a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I recommend that you press it. The reason being, it's called the notification bell, and what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video, and if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I always like to tell you guys about it. We also upload a lot, and sometimes our videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you guys to miss out. So after you subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell and you'll be the first to know see my videos. All right, today we are going to be going through something a little bit different. I wasn't lucky with the Trendmood box for volume 5. I didn't get on when it was early access. I tried and it told me it was sold out, but then again to try a half hour later when it's open to everybody. I went in a half hour later and I was able to get in. I got it in my cart. I checked out. Everything was fine. Then when it came time to get my confirmation via email, it simply said your confirmation will come within the hour, which was not how I normally, when I've gotten the boxes before, so I thought maybe that was something new in their system. Anyways, long story short, 15 minutes after that, I got a strange email saying that my order didn't go through to try again. So I went back in, and by the time that 15 minutes, and if you know anything about Trendmood, 15 minutes is, you're not going to get it. So you give yourself a couple of minutes to get in there, get out, and if you do, you get it. If you don't, you usually miss out. So there was one product that was in the Trendmood that really caught my eye, and it was a palette that was a drugstore version palette by Catrice. And it was a collaboration with EMAN, and it looked stunning. I watched a couple of people do their unboxings, but none of them swatched the palette. So I started going on Catrice's website to look for it, and it was sold out there, and then I started looking elsewhere for it. So I got very lucky and I found it on Amazon for even less than what it was on the Catrice website. I think it was $12.99 there, and I think I paid $11.99, and it was Prime. So I decided to get that palette. So I did. So the when I was on Amazon, they also had a highlighter palette. So I said, you know what, I'm going to get both. So I ended up placing an order for one, and then I went back in and I placed a second order for the second piece. The original highlighter that came in, and they shipped everything, which really poorly. It came in just this envelope with the one item inside of it, and that was this item here. And when I received it, it was completely destroyed. I'm going to try to show you guys on camera. This is what it looks like here. So it's completely destroyed. So I immediately went on Amazon, and I went to call on Amazon to customer service to find out what to do, because I normally don't have this issue with Amazon's delivery. This is the first time I got a damaged palette from Amazon. Anyways, long story short, I called the customer service. Amazon is not answering customer service calls, period. So you get a recording, there's no one to help. So I then went to my order, and it gave me a list of options of what to do. So I asked them to send me a replacement item. So the replacement item already came in. So it came so fast, I was absolutely shocked. So this is the replacement item here, and as you can see, it's in perfect condition, and ironically it was shipped in the exact same packaging. The only difference was this one came via UPS, the one that's all damaged. The one that came pristine was delivered by an Amazon driver. I don't know if that makes a difference. I don't know if we have a choice when we place an order on Amazon. I don't think we do, but it definitely is handled with more care when it is an Amazon driver. So I'm going to be swatching that with you guys. But the palette that really intrigued me also came in a little bit damaged, but I wanted to share this video with you guys today. So I did place an order for this one, but they're telling me it is going to take a week to get to me. So I'm just going to show you guys it the best way that I can here. But this is the palette that intrigued me on Trendmood's box, volume 5. And this was the one product that I really, really wanted in there. And then I saw that it was a Catrice palette, which meant it's drugstore, so I wanted to share that with you guys here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to swatch and share with you guys these two palettes. Like I said, I got both of them on Amazon. Both of them were Prime. Both of them were $11.99. This one now, I don't know if it's sold out or if it's just on a reorder process that this one's going to take longer to replace, because the initial two that came damaged came in separate packages, both damaged, but they came the same day, 2 or 3 days after I placed the order. All right. Okay. So I want to make sure to open the right ones first. So this one here, it's called Catrice times EMAN. EMAN is a gorgeous, gorgeous supermodel. She's been around a long time. Her skin tone is far deeper than mine, but I thought this highlighter palette would have enough tones in here that I'd be able to get some good use out of it. And I've been so impressed with the Catrice brand of products, from their foundation to their concealer to their eyeshadows. I've been totally impressed. I also did a video that probably is posted prior to this one. I received this palette right away, like immediately, and this was the eyeshadow palette, which hopefully you'll go back in my videos. If you look underneath my video here where my name is, where it says True Wants, if you press on that, it'll bring you to a whole page which shows you all my videos, and you can look through all of them and see which video you want to watch. But this one is going to be one of the more current ones because I did do that. I did swatch it and I did show it to you guys, and I was really impressed with it. So it's really nice that it's almost a whole series. You have an eyeshadow palette, a highlighter palette, as well as a blush palette. So let me just do this quickly and show you guys what the swatches are. They also have a full mirror inside here. The packaging is beautiful. That's why I was so surprised that I just think it was more the handlers than the packaging in reference to this, because like I said, the one that we got in now is just in perfect condition. So I'm going to swatch these four here. The first one is called Whistler, Victoria, Surrey, and Maple. And the name on the back of the palette, I'm going to show you here too. It says here LIT, L-I-T highlighter palette, and all the names are there as well. And then this is what they look like here. So we have Whistler, Victoria, Surrey, and Maple. And I'm just going to swatch them on my hand here. And yeah, they're beautiful. That's what they look like here. So really impressed with this. This is the highlighter palette, and there's enough colors in here that I think it will hit everybody's skin tone. So I really think it's a universal palette. So that's that product there. This is the one that intrigued me, and it is called Cheeky Blush Palette. And in person, it looks so much darker than it did in all the pictures. And it's ironic that I don't think this is one that is going to be something that even when I get the replacement and that I'm going to be keeping, because the colors look really dark. So I'm going to be sharing that with you guys here. And that's why I wish when people get these type of palettes that they take the time to swatch, because that's what I fell in love with YouTube about. Was when I wanted to see something before I purchased it, I wanted to see what the swatches were. I wanted to know what the take was. And when people get it and just show it, I'm happy they got the product, and I'm happy, you know, but for me, YouTube is to show and share what the products look like, so we can make a decision, an educated decision, if we want the palettes for ourselves. So lucky for me, I ended up getting it from Amazon, because I'm pretty sure if I would have purchased it from the actual website of Catrice, I don't know what their return policies are and all of that as well. So all right, so this I'm going to leave down here because it's all shattered. I'm going to try to do the best that I can. The first color is Shisha, then Alexandra, then Luxor, and then Charo. And that's what they look like here. So we have Shisha, Alexandra, Luxor, and Charo. And that's what they look like here. Yeah, they're very dark. So if you got this in your in your palette, you would just have to use a really light hand. This was one swipe. So this would be, I think, more for darker skin tones than light, medium, medium. I think this would be fantastic for anyone tan and deeper. So I think that's my take on that. So we have the highlighter palette, which I think is more universal than the blush palette. So wanted to share that with you guys, because if that's of any interest to you, it's simple and it's easy. It's available on Amazon. It's Prime, and I was able to get it really quickly. And once again, this is the blush palette. It's called Cheeky Blush Palette. This was what she was showing in the Trendmood box, volume 5. And this is the highlighter palette. And then, like I said, if you want to see the eyeshadow palette, I already swatched that in a previous video. All right, just wanted to share that with you guys. Whenever I come across something that I think is a deal, and maybe you missed out also with the Trendmood, and this was something that caught your eye, I wanted to share that with you guys as well. All right, once again, I appreciate so much that you take time out of your day to spend it with me here. And I want everybody to make sure to stay safe and stay well. If you're enjoying my content, please don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. That's also right underneath the video. It's important on the YouTube platform, because then other people that have not met me yet my video will go in front of, if I get enough thumbs up, YouTube will then put my video in front of other people that enjoy this kind of content, and they'll get to meet me as well. All right. Once again, everybody, continue to stay safe and stay well, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.